Hey you guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So as you can see, today we are at my house and I'm going to be vlogging because we have so much to do, you guys. I have so much to get done and I was like, you know what, let me make a vlog and bring you guys with me. So I just got up, took a shower. I actually just got back in town yesterday. Excuse my hair, I just got out the shower. I didn't even blend in my leave out, nothing. So y'all getting the raw unedited version of me today. I just got back in town yesterday. I had went to LA to meet up with some friends, and while I was out there I also did some shopping at the Wholesale district. So I didn't vlog it. I didn't vlog the Wholesale district because I was meeting up with friends and I didn't have that much time while I was out there. I was only out there for like 4 hours and I didn't have anybody with me to like film me and stuff. So I had to maximize my time as much as I could. So unfortunately I did not do any filming while I was out there. I'm back home in Vegas, but I am getting ready to unpack all the stuff down here. I gotta unpack this suitcase because that's where all the goodies are. That's where all the stuff I bought at the Wholesale district is at. And I gotta get it all together because we are back on the road tomorrow, because I gotta be in Phoenix by tomorrow morning by 11 a.m. because I have a photo shoot tomorrow. So I'm unpacking to go wash and repack and unpack the stuff I got at the Wholesale district so I can go ahead and get pictures taken with the models that will be at the photo shoot tomorrow. So we got a lot to do. I have tons of stuff over here. I got boxes over here. Those all need to be unpacked and set up for tomorrow because those are things that need to go for the photo shoot as well. For my photo shoots, I like to have everything kind of already set up as to like who's gonna wear what, because I've worked with these models before, so I kind of know their body types and what looks good on them and what doesn't. So I gotta plan all that out. I gotta do the numbers for this stuff, like get the pricing all set up because I'm gonna have this roll out within like the second week of June. So I like to get all this stuff out the way so I can focus on marketing, pushing out the new stuff. So yeah, we have a lot to do. Now I do recommend going down to LA. I love going down there. I wish I would have come down here. I wish I would have went on another day except for Fridays. So what I'm finding out is on Fridays, the only thing I didn't like, and I would have got a lot more stuff, but the vendors either didn't have it available at that very moment, because you know some of the vendors will allow you to grab the stuff right then and there, and then some of them will ask you to come back at the close of the day, like around 4:30 or 5. But I was meeting up with friends at 6:30 and I was like, I can't do that because y'all know LA traffic is just a mess. It takes like 2 hours to get anywhere and I wouldn't have time to get ready. It's like, look, I can't, if you don't have it like right here and there, I can't do it. And then a lot of the other vendors were saying, well, it's Friday, we won't have it available till Monday. And I'm like, y'all are killing me out here. So I didn't get as much as I wanted to get on this trip, but I had ordered a lot of stuff prior to me going, which I'm glad I did. And that's kind of the reason why I did, is because I wasn't sure of like how much time I was gonna have. Tomorrow, like I said, I have to be in Phoenix by 11 a.m. And Phoenix, if you don't know, Vegas to Phoenix is like a 4-hour drive. So I'm just gonna have everything prepped tonight and just pull up, go straight to the place in which we're shooting. We rented a, we have another Airbnb that my photographer had got that we're going to shoot at, so I'm kind of glad about that, because when you shoot at a house it just makes things like so much easier than trying to go to like a resort or something like that because you have people around. But at the house we have the whole house to ourselves, so we can really move around and get things done a lot quicker because there's like rooms and bathrooms and stuff like that. So, and then I can work with the girls, so it's just a lot more easier to do Airbnbs or like secluded areas opposed to trying to work within the public. Okay, so I got this suitcase open. So this is what it looks like. These are jeans that I have brought, but this is all stuff I had got from the district. I don't know if there's anything on that side, but I know this side it's all district stuff. And this is pretty much, if you've never been to the district, they pretty much give you like black bags and then just put your invoice on there. So this is from one business, but I took everything out. And then I got this, I got those, I got that. So you can see I didn't get much because I was on a time restraint. I was restricted of time. And then I got those. So I got a bunch of little cute stuff. A lot of color. So I just finished eating, grabbed some lunch so I could take a break to continue on to getting stuff done. Excuse the way my camera looks and the reason I'm bending down. It's like set up on my bed, the way it's set up. It's just, has to work this way. But I went ahead and brought my rack up because I'm a visual, and when I do like prepping things for my photo shoots for my models, I have to see them to see how everything looks and then kind of figure out like who's gonna wear what. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got while I was in downtown LA first. So first thing that I got was this set. This is super cute. They had it in 2 colors. I should have got it in both colors, but it is what it is. Cute bright orange set, and it comes with this ribbed skirt like this, which is a really nice thick material. Here is the vendor if you guys were wondering where it came from Blanc. But it's this orange mini skirt, and it has this really super cute orange top that looks like this, and it's the details there. That's really super cute. So this is really cute on a hanger. Super cute. That's the first thing I got from them, is the one I opened. But see, these don't have no sizes on them, so I just had to open them at random. I think this was the size that I wanted, was a medium. These run kind of small. Let's see, was this the one? This is a medium. Yeah, so these are in a medium. I tried this on. This is really cute. It has a zipper in the front, and it's just this really vibrant long jumpsuit, and then it ties, or it zips. Oops, if I can get it. It just zips in the front. So this is really cute. Another item from them, another dress, which I'm kind of upset about this already because I pulled it out because I wanted to try it on. It was super cute. Let me see where's the one I pulled out. It's this really cute faux leather black dress that has like the details up here. Y'all, this is a large. This is a large. This is what they gave me for a large. Look how it's not even zipped up and you can't even tell, but it is a large. So I am a true medium, and I was like, okay, well, let me try this large on because it looks kind of small, right? Y'all, tell me why the zipper broke. Tell me why the zipper broke on this large. I am a solid medium. Everything else fits as a medium. This little bitty dress is not a large. So I'm so mad about this. The zipper broke on it, so now I can't even sell it. And the thing about this is that this company sells their things 3-2-1, meaning 3 small, 2 mediums, and 1 large. The large is broke, so now I can't even sell the large, and I'm gonna have to tell people to go a size up. So really, I don't have any larges at all, and I barely have really no mediums as well either. So a little pressed about this one, kind of upset. I bought it on site, so I don't think I can return it. So I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet with this one, which, you know, I hate doing it because I hate wasting money. Like, this is money that's down the drain unless I know how to fix a zipper, or I can find somebody that knows how to fix the zipper. But you know, you win some, you lose some. But this one is a big loss, and I'm so mad because I don't have any mediums or any larges at this point to sell to my customer for that item. So another dress that I picked up. It's very feminine, very cute. It was kind of a last minute decision as I was walking out the door. I was like, ooh, let me see that. It's really cute. I was definitely trying to stay with the colors because I am a black, white, and gray type of girl. I can get away with that all day. But I was like, the girls want color for summer, so I'm trying to give them color. So this is what the dress looks like. This is the print on it. Oh, that's not the print. This is the print on it. Super cute, super feminine. And it looks like this. This is really, really cute. So the dress looks like this. This is a small. It has straps. And then the back here looks like this. It has the straps in the back. And then what's really cute is it has this, or I guess it looks like that. It looks like that in the back. But it has this really cute ruching at the bottom right here. So this would look really cute. So there you go. Edit by 9 is the name of the vendor. Really good quality. This is a true small. Orange. I'm like obsessed with orange right now. I don't know why. this is a satin like material. I love satin anything because it looks expensive. But it's just a orange like shirt dress that has some ruching at the bottom, and it has this really cute slit right here too, so you're gonna have a cute little slit. This is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys one more thing that I got from a new vendor. This was ordered online, and you guys have probably seen this dress on Instagram. Just some of the new stuff that I picked up. The rest of the stuff, you guys, I had made a video previous to this showing you the inventory haul that I did. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll have it linked somewhere up on the screen, or I'll put it down below for you guys. Alright, so finally got everything kind of hung up and separated. The only thing I have to go downstairs and get these biker shorts that I've been having in my inventory for forever, and I just never had them pictured, so I'm gonna get those and add them if we have time. But I separated them. I have 3 models tomorrow, and like I said, I kind of know the models after working with them, like what they work with better, who wears what, and who, you know, has a bigger chest, or who may, you know, have more curves or things like that. So I kind of figured out like who works best with what. Separated it into 3 categories. So it's a 3-hour shoot, and there's 3 models, so it's about 4 to 5 pieces per model is what I try to do, and they usually can get that done. So I gotta go get the biker shorts because that's the only thing that's missing from here. Alright, you guys, so downstairs we are about to package the stuff. I have my dad helping me. He pretty much just goes in and re-tags and stuff, taking off the old tags, put the new stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys. So that's my dad. Say hey, daddy. So pretty much he'll go in, take off the old tags that look like this, that's on the branded, that's given to me by the wholesaler, and he'll go in and put in my House of Inspo tags that look like this, and he'll just cut them off like you see him doing, and then we just use a punch gun to put in the new ones like this. And then what I'll do is I take my clear cellophane bags, they look like this, and you can just get these off of Amazon, and I repackage the items in here, and then I just put a sizer on like one of these stickers with a size on it. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll come back once we're done to show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, so we just finished the items, so everything is in a pile. Here's all the stuff. As you can see, it's just already pre-packaged, so it's ready to go out whenever the order comes in, and it has the size on there. So yeah, so now I'm gonna take all this stuff outside. Alright, you guys, we're still working. Now I have my mom helping me. She over here steaming the clothes because some of these are super wrinkled, so I gotta steam them out for the shoot tomorrow. So I ordered this little steamer from Amazon, got here same day, so that's what she's doing for me, is steaming out the stuff while I finish packing. You gonna say hey to the camera? No. Alright, yeah, so we're almost done. I'm gonna get everything packed up, and then my goal is to be in the bed by 10 o'clock, so we're almost done.